Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do your lipstick perfectly. And there's a way to do it that will make it come out perfect. You won't be drawing outside of the lines. It'll look perfectly natural. And I think you're going to really like this tip. Now, what gave me the idea to even talk about this tip or show it was when I went to the dentist. The dental assistant, she asked me, she says, how do you apply your lipstick? And so I gave her like a show, I showed her how I did it, without really using lipstick. But, and I just thought, well, I should share this tip with everybody else. So that's what I'm doing. So, oh, today's my birthday. I'm 54 years old today. So I don't know what that means. I guess I'm just getting older, but so far so good. Okay, so most people start out like doing it like this. We'll start with I have an Ofra lip liner in Mauve. So I'm going to show you how most people do it. And they start like maybe here and go out like this maybe. I'm sure a lot of people do. Now look, already, you can see it's already kind of messing up. Let's see how that, it's, it already from the get-go, it's kind of messed up. So, I mean, you could try to fix it a little, like so, I suppose. And that's not what you do. I'm going to wipe this off, and I'm going to show you how to, well, here, let me do the lipstick first. Jumping the gun here. And then they go like this with the lipstick usually. And then usually maybe apply some gloss or something afterwards. But that's usually okay. And I mean, this is okay, but it's kind of messy. So I'm going to show you a way to do it where you'll get it right every single time. I'm going to wipe this off. Good. All right. All right. So again, taking the lip liner, start right here. Now I'm going to come up really close. Okay. Okay, it's all about going this way. This is how you get it perfectly. See how, first try, look at it, not a mistake. Look at how good that looks. All right, I'll finish this. Okay, and this side. See, it just goes perfect. Keep it going this way until it's filled in the way you like it. And you don't start all the way down here. Start about right there. And see how that gets your lip? Now, if you come up just a little bit higher, it won't look like you're going out of the lines, but it will give your lip some more fullness. Usually with people, the top lip is thinner than the bottom lip, so that's why this method just works so perfect. Now, you can go right here and really fill that in a bunch of times going this way. Do not go back this way, but going this way until you get it the exact color that you want. See? And then your bottom lip, I start about right here. I don't want my lips looking like clownish or like the Joker. So, all right. All right, and now I'm going to show you another little trick. It involves a darker lip liner, and this is going to make your bottom lip look fuller. All right, so just come right about here. And get it Get a nice line there. See? Looks fuller. All right. Now I'm going to follow up with some Ulta Mauve lipstick to match. And we're going to do it the same way. See? Perfect. And of course, you want to keep your lip liner and your lipstick the same color. And then your bottom. And there you have it. And just like your lip liner, you can go over it a few more times. And if you like this part of your lip, that very inner side of your lip, you can use like a lighter color and then do the outside darker. Or you can take your lip liner and you can do the lines. Maybe right there, there, there. Press a little bit. All right, and that is like the easiest way and the most foolproof way. And it does give your lips nice shape, nice definition. It goes over your natural lines that you have there already, and it really defines them and brings them out. And your lips look natural, and it doesn't look weird. You don't look like a blowfish. You don't look strange. You don't look like Lucy. But anyway, so those are my tips for perfect lipstick, and I will have many more tips following. So I hope you all have a great day and enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys all next time. Until then, bye-bye.